I tried Gemini Custody app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I decided to test the Gemini Custody app for a week, I expected another big name exchange wallet. But the shocking truth, Gemini Custody isn't just about storage, it's about institutional grade security brought directly to retail investors. On day one, the app's interface felt clean and professional. It's clear that Gemini designed custody for serious users. Unlike regular wallets, Gemini Custody separates your funds into secure, offline cold storage. That means your crypto isn't connected to the internet, and that's a big deal. By day 2, I started exploring the app's compliance features. Gemini is regulated under US law, meaning every asset held in custody meets strict security and audit requirements. Most people get this wrong. They think all crypto wallets are risky. But Gemini's custody solution actually carries insurance coverage for digital assets. By midweek, I tested deposits and withdrawals. Process was slower than hot wallets, but that's intentional. Each withdrawal request goes through multiple verification layers to prevent unauthorized access. It's a little less convenient, but far more secure. By day 6, I understood why so many institutions choose Gemini Custody. Their multi-signature technology and hardware security modules create a fortress-like system for asset protection. Even in the event of a cyber attack, the design prevents single points of failure. After 7 days, the shocking truth is this Gemini Custody isn't for people chasing daily trades or quick swaps. It's built for those who prioritize absolute security and regulatory peace of mind. If you're holding large amounts of crypto or simply value knowing your assets are locked in one of the most secure vaults in the industry, Gemini Custody is hard to beat. It may not be flashy, but it's the kind of protection that helps you sleep at night, and in crypto, that's priceless.